Hello guys, I'm gonna play Elemental Power Tycoon. Let's play. It's the power. Why am I lagging so much? Okay, those all are cool, not gonna lie. I kinda want this thing. I'll pick darkness. Skip. So now we're talking. Oh shit. Money. Money. Give me money. I'm poor. No, I'm poor. Hey, greedy. That's greedy, not gonna lie. Invite you to a party, huh? What does that mean? I have no money, but it's making money. Just give me my money. Do you have a stuff? Yes. I'ma borrow this. Thank you. What does this do? Oh, I'm sorry. I got this. I have a power now. You have power. Hello? Yes, like me. Want your blade. This is ugly. Why is it big? I can't attack him. That's great. Let me in. Oh, what the? Oh, give me that. Give me. Meow. Why? Oh, great. I'm gonna take the world by building. Hey. What did I do? The thunder. Hey, I don't like these two abilities anymore. Okay. Give me that. I need to go building. I can't afford that. Oh well. Oh yeah. $500. Oh wait. Oh. Unlock? Huh? I don't get it. Please, X that. I don't want it. Finally, I have no item. What is that? Why does it have a timer? What is it? Huh? Headless. Oh, I need the money. Give me the money. I am I dashing like that. Yes. Yes, gonna die so fast. Boom! Yes! I have so much money. But I died. Give me some. Give me some. I want it. What the? Another one. Robux. I have no Robux. Still 11%. Darkness. Hey yo, what the? Hey, calm down. Calm down. What did I even do? I just got beaten by someone. Yes. Ooh, a money. I can pick up the money. Pet. It's so cute. Is that a bat? Barney bat. Barney is a bat na. Barney becomes a bat. I want it, I need it. What does this do? What sword does? Oh, hey, come here. Wait, I can spawn minions. This is the best power ever. Spawn a minion. This is my money. Yes, sir. I just stole someone's money. Hey, Bone. Attack him. Attack. You got that. I'm hiding here. Let's cook. Okay, I'm out. Big truck. That's not a truck. Hey, yo, give me that. Give me the money. $23,000. That's not expensive. Hey, yo. What the hell happened? I lost my power. The boss is gonna spawn again. I have 20. Give me more. Yes, I can buy it. Hello. That's $35. Dirt duo. Hey, what the? That's kinda cool. I need that. Oh, 18, 17. It's gonna spawn. It will spawn. Just gonna wait 10 seconds. And it's gonna spawn. I need to be the best. I'm the king. See you, my friends. It's the king of the world. Hey, a second. No! Bro, that's done. A second. Hey, you! What's happening here? This is too laggy. I think. Kill that man! Yes! And I just fainted. Hey, boy! I miss you, boy! Attack it. Mommy! Hey, yo! just gonna spend my money. Give me more. It's kinda dead. What's that? I need 4,000 more. I have 55,000, so that's great. Abyss? What is this? Oh, I can teleport. I'm gonna attack that guy. Okay. Done. I'm in his place right now. How can I get out? Hey. Hey. Give me someone. Abyss. I'm gonna spawn there. Bone. Where is Bone? All power. I'm the king. How dare you lie? How dare you lie? How dare you lie? How dare you lie? Oh, hey. You thought you're strong? You thought you're strong? You're not strong, yeah? Give me your money. Hey, Boone! Boone! I miss you, Boone. Boone! 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 Attack him! Attack! 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 Hey, what is that? What is that? Did I just... There. I got only 3 minutes left. Hey, give me $1,000. Wait. Hey, I look awesome. Yeah. Only $65. This is a scam. Teleport. I just got teleport by my own house. Thunder. There's two. Attack. I hate that thunder. Oh, what did I do? Just attack me. Okay, Kanak. I mean, freedom. $79. I don't think I'm grateful. Okay, it's gonna start. After this, I'm gonna end this video. Hey, what the fuck? It's so laggy. Everyone is so strong. Give me some. Well, hey you, get out of my house. Well guys, that's all for today. I'm Sian and I'm out.